thanks for joining me for this video. Really quick, I wanted to hopefully save your day. We rely heavily on our GoPro and action cams, and our Hero 3 Plus GoPro died yesterday. We went out for a flight lesson. We were running this camera hanging from the windshield on the plane, and it stopped recording. We thought the battery went dead. I don't think that's what happened. So today we came home, we were trying to get the cameras cleared, get them all charged up, and it just wouldn't turn on. We tried holding different button sequences, we tried taking the battery out, putting it back in, tried all these dances. And again, this is a Hero 3 Plus Silver. So you can try this sequence. If it works for you, great. What we needed to do was this sequence. So remove the battery, take the little battery door off the back, there's a little tab right here, and pull the battery out. Then you're good. Move over here and remove the SD card. I don't know if the SD card matters, but go ahead and remove it anyway. And take that out, maybe. There we go. Everything on these cameras is so small. All right, so you should have the camera with the battery removed, SD card removed. Now, you need to do it in this order. Hold down the shutter button. That's the button on the top. Hold this button down, and then put the battery in. So we're gonna hold that button, keep holding it while you put the battery in. This is really hard to do on camera if you didn't already know. So put the battery in, then push the power button, and bam, the camera should turn on. That's exactly what happened to us. Now you can go ahead and put the battery door back on. It's all good. Then put the memory card back in, and you should be, there we go. All right, with the SD card in, we're back in good shape. I've seen a couple other blog posts from other people who said sometimes if you push and hold the shutter button and then push and hold the power button, sometimes you'll get the camera to power on. If you just go to GoPro's website, they're gonna tell you to push the mode button until you get to settings, which doesn't matter because your camera won't turn on, right? So this is for if you type in like factory reset or hard reset. Somewhere in here is a factory reset. You know, I didn't even look for it, so I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna assume if you're watching this video, your camera won't even turn on. And that's exactly what happened to us. So hopefully you find this tutorial to work really good for you and you're able to get your GoPro to work. I have heard from a lot of people who say, oh yeah, I got a GoPro, it didn't last very long, it stopped working. I have a hunch that this might be what happened to it. Usually when you plug it in to charge, this little red light comes on. And we had plugged it in, we changed cords, we did a bunch of stuff, and that red light never came on. But the battery was getting warm. And I'm like, man, I think it's working. It just won't turn on for some reason. So try that. Hopefully it saves your bacon. I almost forgot. When you go through that hard reset, you're gonna wanna go back through and double check all your camera settings, like your date and time. Make sure you got the right resolution and all that stuff, because I believe it literally resets the camera. So don't forget to do that before your next shoot. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.